Nice swimming, now we're clean and ready for something. It is still foggy, but I need my breakfast. And at the same time, I go and I will see what divers do. And this is my bucket with my breakfast. Somebody came for scuba diving even with a motorcycle. Motorcycle's trailer fits everything.
For 24 hours, or as stipulated by the computer manufacturer, and make sure it wasn't accidentally confused with another tank. That it's your responsibility to know what blend you're diving by personally confirming it. Errors are rare, but they have happened. Cylinders have been confused, mismarked, or improperly refilled, and it was the diver's personal analysis that caught the error.
Good morning, everybody, and it's good to do something. My project today, back ramp extension. What I did already, I got a rod 1 inch in diameter, but I needed 1 inch and 1/8. So I took another pipe, mounted here, and that increased a diameter of a 1 inch to 1 + 1/8. I used that bike carrier on a trip before, but now my task to accommodate here 2 bicycles. I have a bended pipe, but pipe has some old welds, what I need to clean for right now. It is a little bit windy, but it's nice, sunshine. Rock is freezing. It's a good time to have nyama time. It got fish, or it made poo-poo even. And it makes nyama right now. After good breakfast, I do continue cleaning my pipe. I have to wear goggles and surely helmet. And sure, I do want to remind you, I have plenty of power inside of my van. What comes into this power outlet with American standard 120 volts. My friend was visiting me and I opened for him my auxiliary battery box. Stands or sits under passenger seat. You see, this is my driver's seat. Sorry for noise distraction. Alright, folks. Well, actually, it's not a grinder. As you see, it's a saw disc. Now I'm finishing with a sanding disc. Okay, done with the sanding disc. This is the whole pipe. A very first part welding is done. Let me close the doors, and I see thunderstorm clouds coming from horizon. And now when I close the door, it does look that way. I have to do some adjustment, and then I will be ready to place bicycle again on extended.